इट वाज ग्राउंड लूट ना, तो लेके बजाते थे उसे।
Very slow, that's why. Watch a perfect circle.
A perfect circle is a good band.
Battle Royale. Set a drop point for your team, soldier. Gas is closing on your position. Suggest you get moving.
Yums.
Jumps.
People coming. One team backport. One team landing with us.
Your primary objective is to kill them all. Hostile dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
Here, see?
Landed brick.
Contact.
अभी मेरे को ठुकरा
कौन ठोक रहा?
from brick.
LC10 here.
On the left. Here.
I'm dropping plates for blue.
कार्तिक ये किधर है?
ये प्लीज बड़ा
One
TY
more.
Fuck knows, dude.
TY.
What the fuck?
ऊपर क्या है?
हम लोग ऊपर से आए.
ये मालूम नहीं किधर गया फिर यार.
छोड़ दे फिर।
ये स्मोक फेंक के भागा है किधर तो भी?
By the way, brick में लोग हैं.
Yes, people. Yeah.
I have no plates, so.
There are
Again,
three.
I'm dropping 2 plates here. I've dropped 2 plates here.
Armor here.
Back of pot.
There are 3 teams which landed here other than us. Okay.
Okay, let's move to break together. Don't get stuck in a on top of.
Oh,
right
roof,
here.
roof. Full roof. Light
Broken.
Full roof. There's a Rambo.
Full roof. Okay. This guy on my left also.
Okay. Come. We go
I
get
think that's the roof only. Stick to orange. Come
the
to
left. On
orange.
the left.
Okay. Come, roll.
Oh yeah. We go.
नीचे.
He's cracked. One more behind.
You got this.
Behind me.
Oh, mother truth.
Oh nice.
Gosh, I did sneaky peeky.
मुंह पे फेंक दिया मेगा.
This is the same team from last game.
Hey really?
Are you serious?
Captain Burapa.
They always land here, क्या? Pot?
That game that we won. We should go by to the, go to the buy zone quickly.
Backport ना?
Backport.
Back pot also there was a team.
Yeah. There are. Please go carefully.
प्लेटा तो नहीं हाई.
Pull your money now.
Yeah.
Wait, I'm coming to your man.
Deepak, you
Dropping
have
money,
the money,
Karthik.
Come.
Yeah. I'm just trying
Arey,
to
who's
find a plate.
purple, yaar?
Me, I was stuck inside. I was picking up money. Wait.
No money give, man.
मेरे के पास 4000 है ना. बड़ी रकम.
Bye.
Yeah.
I
Rahul,
need to buy
bhai,
plates with the button.
Got already.
Friendly loadout drop on the
Rahul,
Listen,
Deepak, buy you plates.
plates, two
Deepak,
plates.
buy plates.
I'm buying plates.
Two sets.
Shit, we're still short of plates.
Okay, clear back port now together.
Hey Hashi, you want plates?
Yes, please.
Yeah. I dropped 2.
Okay. Catch up to Karthik, huh? He's far now.
Yeah. Come, we need to Kakusio these people here. When you want me to pop the UAV, you tell.
Pop now.
You should pop.
friendly UAV overhead.
They moved
We're
up.
in the safe zone.
Let's take the heli.
Yeah,
You
you
take
take the
chopper?
bounty someone. I'll get the
I'm
chopper.
going for the bounty.
I'll come with you, Hashi.
Hey, come with me, yeah, because
Yeah.
this team might be returning from Golak.
Ajay, bada, I come you.
Yeah.
But I think these guys will be thrown elsewhere.
Full team at the buy zone. They went up.
Bounty target
Come.
identified.
Team at the
Squad
buy
to
zone.
fast it.
I'm coming left
Be
side.
advised,
I'm done, yeah.
enemy team
Come.
is tracking your location.
Downtown by.
Fuck.
Ours is farm though.
This almost never happens.
Oh fuck, they're sitting ducks there. Karthik, the downtown guys.
Oh yeah, dude. What is that?
They're just like monkeys over there.
In the car, shoot this car.
Yeah, yeah.
They were about to get off, they cancelled the plan.
Get out.
Hey,
They are under it.
अरे यार.
Arey,
Chopper.
somebody took the chopper and
Teammate is sent to the gulag. Chance to redeploy. You're in the gulag.
Another guy landed behind me,
Fight to
on
our
top.
redeployment. Time for a bit of argy-bargy.
Different team showed up.
yeah.
Yeah, second team showed up.
Comes.
Here we go. You're up next, mate. Get ready. Your teammate got a proper sorting. Sending them home.
Suddenly
You win this
मेरी
fight
पीछे
and you
हट
return
गई
to
है.
the front line. But if you lose, you're done here. Yeah, you kick their ass. Stand by for redeployment.
Fuck.
Your teammate's done in. They're returning to
I
base.
drop plates for you here.
Armor here.
You under me?
He's above you.
Okay. Fuck this gun, dude.
Y'all have money to buy one.
Need that buy?
1 second. I'll get money.
I'm getting more
for-
money, Raul.
Yeah. Can buy both in a short time.
SMG here.
Can buy both now. Pull me money. Yeah, take.
Yeah.
Got a loadout drop inbound.
2 loadouts. Can you provide area coverage on the
Gas is
loadout,
inbound.
please?
Marking
Sure.
your safe zone.
Don't see anyone yet.
Care package.
Remove the mark, Deepak.
No, people die at the loader.
Yeah.
Getting out.
Karthik moving to your right.
Okay.
He's right.
See here where I'm marked, purple. There are 2 people there.
Raul.
Sorry.
Oh shit, one guy close to me.
Broke it.
I'm taking fire.
Yeah, I need help. Climb up.
She come.
Very great job, boys.
Eh?
It despawned there.
Thank God, dude. I got so scared. ये चूतिया लोग किधर मरे? I want some
Do we have plates?
Gas is inbound.
I have some. I dropped 3 plates.
I've also dropped. Here.
Armor here. Armor here.
Trying to pick up.
Do all the recons.
Hey Hashi, you need more?
Choppers inbound. Rear
Sorry?
cargo.
You need more plates?
Recon contract ready.
Extra if you have, you can drop.
I have only one, so
No, no, keep
Reach
it,
the
keep it.
marked location and secure the area.
Relocating.
come.
I legit think there's no one here. If we can kill the supply chopper, that'll be amazing for us.
Then do
Yeah,
it.
but we
Let's
can
do it.
because
Anna?
despawn, no?
Yeah, we should, yeah. Shoot
Let's
this
do it.
guy.
Let's do it.
I'm doing this cab alone, no?
Quickly take it. Someone hit it.
I'm finishing
There's
this
a
cab.
recon.
Hey, who shot? Who shot?
लोग
That is
क्या
not
कर रहे हैं यार?
अरे अपना recon है bros.
हाँ हाँ मेरे को तो जेपा.
Recon intel secured. Solid work.
Thought a late जेपा.
Popping a UAV just for the.
Friendly UAV overhead.
I'll drop a armor box.
No,
You
not
all
needed.
I have enough.
I'm dropping. I need.
Repositioning.
We have two, na? Somebody else has.
More recons?
Yeah, do everything.
Yeah.
Doing
Max
this.
recons.
Recon
So-
contract
Hey, by the way, there's a whole team at green
Oi.
and blue. Yeah.
Green and
Go
blue.
fight green, fight blue.
White blue. Okay.
We need to go to the buy zone and clear it. Fight blue. Do any more UAVs drop from there or no?
I have one.
Wait, don't pop yet. I'll tell you what. Y'all are splitting up and moving.
Hey, they bought someone over there.
hit, it,
Again.
hit it.
Pop,
Just
pop,
hit
pop,
it.
pop.
Friendly UAV overhead.
They ghosted, right?
No, he's in the car. Just go to the buy zone first.
Okay. भाग गया वो, I think.
इधर ही है.
Enemy marked.
Green had a team, boys. One guy in the air. Easy clap.
ये ऊपर से मार रहा क्या?
Buy. Self. Everyone self.
Okay.
We need to buy an ammo box. Someone buy an ammo
Drop your
box.
money. Drop your money. Ammo I have.
Okay. Buy a gas mask also if you can.
Need money.
Sorry. I'm buying another UAV.
The money?
You're dropping all.
Dropping 400.
Should we go for the recon?
We should.
Anyone needs money? I'll buy a kill streak of this.
No,
buy-
don't
buy
need
a
money.
streak.
Friendly UAV overhead.
One guy showed up above us quite close.
Guys, why are we not doing those
Recon
recons and
contract ready.
doing the ones in front?
Oh, good
Oh yeah.
question.
Gas is moving in. New safe zone located.
Someone fucking choried that kill from me, bencho.
You read what?
मैंने तो मारा ही नहीं किसी को पूरी के.
हमने भी देखा नहीं.
Oh, yeah, I killed that guy. The Australian. But without intent of chori.
Objective update. Secure that position.
Moving.
We have to pick up one more recon while you all finish that.
Yeah, blue wait.
Hmm.
Go and stand next to another recon.
Yeah.
Harshal, what gun do you have? Main weapon?
LC10 RAM. What do you have that you want to switch? Oh, you
have
wanted to
a-
give me a RAM.
I picked up someone else's RAM, so I wanted to give it. In case you're an AMAX.
Gas is moving.
Get it, Deepak.
Contract complete. Recon intel secured.
Recon contract ready.
अब कितना पैसा था इधर यार?
तू पैसा कलेक्ट कर रहा है उधर दीपक, मैं तेरे को बोला था
Sorry,
वो
sir.
उधर जाके
अरे वो हाइट नहीं बताता था यार कतेक. It's not.
Are we
Abhi
all
मेरे को
going
ये
back
बाइट.
for it now?
Not going back, but
Objective
we'll get it.
update. Secure that
Yeah,
position.
close by.
Moving.
Yo.
I can wait next to one more.
No, come enough.
Okay.
We need to figure out this SUV. We need they can get fuck into the zone.
Hmm.
खुले में है रे. I think bunkers will be our best bet.
Heading this way.
Height भी है.
Stadium जाता है.
Contract complete. Recon intel secured.
Open ending.
Come.
वही है ना फिर bunker.
हाँ उधर ही जाना.
Bunker buy.
Bunker by.
कुछ खरीदना है क्या boys?
एक और करते
Before we
हैं.
go.
एक और करते हैं.
Might as well.
Okay.
Objective update. Secure that position.
Anyone need any buy?
Yeah, I can hold a kill streak.
I have a UAV.
There's a car parked over there. That always is there actually.
That was there only, no?
Boys, don't waste all your money now, unnecessarily. There's a buy in play also. There are two
Yeah,
buys in
just-
play.
I'm
Just
keeping my
want
money.
something for now.
Quickly.
Even
Buy.
I'm keeping.
I'm also keeping my money.
Buy UAV, Rahul.
I'm
I have
popping
a
one. I'm popping one UAV right now.
Friendly
Come
UAV
on, he's
overhead.
right
Oh,
here.
some-
Right front.
Up in here.
Here.
Hellcat.
Alright.
There's a
Chopper.
king above us.
Minus.
There's a chopper.
Sorry, 1 second. I need to pick up the AMAX. He doesn't fucking have an AMAX. Fuck my life. Get it.
Got it.
Enemy UAV overhead.
There's a team of two over here. I'm marking at blue.
Moving here.
It's a team of 3. The king joined them.
Oh yeah.
Quickly stand on this. We need to get the fuck out of here.
Yeah, we need to get to the bunker by.
Moving out. Contract
Oh, perfect,
complete.
dude.
Recon intel secured.
Get it?
Enemy UAV overhead.
If we manage to get bunker, we have a high chance of winning.
Gas is
One
moving.
more UAV might not be a bad idea right now to pop.
You want me to pop?
No, when we have to clear the green,
Yeah. Okay.
closer to green. Pop now.
Popping.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Assume go straight.
People at array.
Leave it to me.
We can stay on the hill.
Dude, please
Don't give this up.
And now.
I think, but one precision over here and we'll descend into chaos here.
Okay, you call then. Where do you go?
Okay, see blue boys. Blue is
That's
the
my
closest threat.
Only
visible.
feeling.
Okay, but
Karthik,
tell
one
her.
guy landing here. Police.
Oh yeah, full team. Full
See
team.
the entire team there.
Sounds good.
I can replace.
Arey, one broken yaar.
Whoever started shooting first, maybe tell us next time.
It wasn't me. Hey, people
Hey,
at
let's mark it, let's
live
mark
mark,
it.
live
Get
mark,
up,
live
get up,
mark,
get up.
live mark.
Bunker,
We need to
boys.
shoot them. You need to shoot them.
Yeah, I was
Right
waiting now.
bunker. I've tracked them there.
Broken. Down.
I've called a cluster.
Nice.
You called it on him? Okay.
Yes,
Recon online.
but there's no down.
UAV entering the AO.
There's a down here.
Heading down.
Abhi he said
Yourself up.
तुम लोग किसको मार रहे? क्या हो रहा? कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा मेरे को.
UAV is bingo.
shooting the team on the left.
I'm just staying down here.
Downed one. My live mark is down.
See, live marked one more.
Right there.
He's behind the rock. I broke this guy at the rock.
Down him.
Nice.
Down one more.
Nice.
Nice.
Kill him.
कार coming.
Car coming.
कार को hit. Ammo नहीं है. Could use ammo box.
Ammo box. Harshit, come back. You're too far. Come back. Hold back.
Come.
Guys, I'm getting shot from somewhere. I don't know where.
The bridge.
There, live marker.
Now.
I've kept the ammo box down and I'm going back.
Yep.
This guy's here at the. I'm fucking pushing this bunker guy, dude. Fuck this.
Gas inbound.
Yeah, come. I'm coming with
Take
you.
आराम से.
Side हो गया.
No, he's somewhere here on the hill.
Underneath, yeah.
Wait.
Where?
Wrecked from the left from where?
Yeah.
Left.
Yeah.
I popped the UAV.
They ghosted. He's shooting from here inside this house. Don't over.
See this?
Target spotted.
I live mark. Fuck my life.
Oh fuck! Behind us also on the hill where we were. On the hill where we were.
I'm trying to throw a precision over
Get
there.
inside. Get inside the bunker
I
right
threw a
now.
precision over there.
Get inside the bunker right now.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Just stay inside the bunker. Don't move.
Disabled vehicle, destroyed vehicle, but nothing else.
Are y'all inside the bunker? Yeah. Okay,
Yeah,
just
yeah.
play crossfire over here. Okay, just stay in there. Stay in.
Mm.
I've dropped a plate box over here. I had to use it.
Fuck,
There's
I'm
people
just
behind us.
shooting out top, dude.
Mark how many ever you
We're in the
can.
safe zone.
Yeah, see one. At there is a team here, okay?
At blue.
Okay, purple.
Purple, okay.
Target spotted.
Okay,
There's a team
there are
below
two,
us.
three people, and there's a team below.
Guys, close the door to your bunker. Close the door to your bunker right now. I'll tell you when to open it. Because I feel like what's going to happen is the team from behind the houses that we were shooting at indexing on is going to move up. And then the purple team, I want them to fight this team.
Hey,
I heard someone
People-
behind me.
Yeah, they're coming up
People
from there.
fighting.
Harshit.
Yeah.
people are fighting with people here at on the hill, na?
Hmm.
Hey, fuck, I have to dive. Yeah, I'm coming in.
Dive to us, dive. Go into Karthik's bunker.
Dude, I just got in here. Wherever.
ठीक है. इधर gun नहीं है पर. Here, I'll take my.
It's okay. Okay, give one. Thanks, but
Yeah, they're coming in from our left. Watch now.
from your left, okay.
You'll have to move up a little
Take
bit.
that
You're
out.
on in the gas.
take
You're
this.
in the gas. You're in the gas.
Big
Thanks.
caliber here.
Gas is closing. Get to the new safe zone.
Above us.
Mm-hmm.
Pull me your
Trying to
money.
mark
Pull
people.
me your money.
Yeah.
One popped up here
Oh, shit,
at
okay.
blue.
Yep.
Now
Yep.
here.
We need to
On top
challenge
of
that
us.
team, yeah.
He's fighting on the
But
team
there
on
are
the
people
hill.
on the hill here, na?
We need to challenge the. I'm gonna cluster the hill, okay? And then we are
Yeah.
going.
Target area is marked.
We're going hill.
Okay.
Loader 2-0, good copy. Hostile strike away.
I can't push that. You all need to push that.
Yeah, we are
I'm
pushing.
here.
I don't see nobody.
One guy here.
No one's here.
Right here.
Left.
If you're not in the safe zone, better get moving.
I killed one up top. Here.
I'm fully
I'm trying
stunned.
to live mark, yeah. Live mark. 2 people live mark on the hill.
Fuck me. I
One
don't have
guy
an
pushing
angle
up.
on him.
Right here. Full killed him.
Nice.
Under us.
There's one more pushing.
Throwing stun.
Below us. From
Listen.
dude,
Yeah,
I think-
below.
It's 1 on 3. I think.
One guy's below us.
Yeah,
Either.
Gas is moving in. New safe zone located.
Then the other guy is where I'm facing.
Direct remain. You know what.
Nice.
Hey, I got it from
3 on 2. 3 on
in front of
2.
me. From in front of me.
3 on 2.
Exactly. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Do we have any streaks?
no.
We have height on them, boys. Play easy.
Stick together, bus. That'll do it.
Oh, I think I see them. Abhi, mother chot.
Hostile dropping.
Thank you.
Deepak here.
Inbound. Mark the target.
Down him.
Lovely.
Hey, lovely, yeah.
Watch me. Watch me.
Be on
See
one,
where I
be
am.
on
See
one.
where I am.
Friendly precision
I know. I'm trying to get to you. only.
Don't get to me. Just stay on the hill.
Stay on the hill, but separate angle from Deepak because they've seen us there twice.
No hits on my. I'm
Ah.
marking one. One's here. Live
Understood.
mark.
He is the last guy, I think.
He is the last one.
Yeah.
complete.
Fuck, lovely, yeah.
Nice.
GG, yeah. What a game.
Excellent game.
Thank you for the carry.
Dude, this recon is the way to keep winning, yeah.
Really.
Just do like 2 bounties and then only recons.
3,100 damage and 7 kills.
उसमें से भाई साहब एक फ्री किल मैंने ले लिया ना.
7 kills and 1 win, bada.
By the way, you all saw the 9,000 IQ play with the cluster strike.
With the cluster,
Yes.
yeah, very good.
Yeah,
Very
yeah,
nice.
yeah. Very nice play.
The
Chosen
nine-
off.
that- so that cluster team